Hello student, in this video we talk about how to use the video effects in Filmora 13, right? So open your Filmora software and import your media file and then drag and drop, right? So I drop my file. Now click on the effects, right? And in effects you click on the video effects. So I open the list, and in this list you see the maximum number of video effects, right? The basic effect, the shake effect, the glitch effects, right? Now in this video I use the glitch effect, right? So first I use this effects, right? The glitch effect 10 and the chromatic ever and the glitch effect 20. So first I double click on this effect to see the preview, right? Now if you want to use this effect, so drag and drop this effect on your video, and now I also use this effect, right? And I also apply this effect on my video, and I use this effect also, right? So I use 3 effects. Now I play my video to see the effects, right? It is the first effect. It is the second effect. And it is the third effect, right? You also this new effect, right? The cyberpunk effect, I also drag and drop and then play it. So in this video we learn how to use the glitch effect in Filmora 13 step by step. Thank you.